Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola.
Budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Bananta.
Sungulukata kumambende, oni samuja. Otubele, otukala. Ambe sungulukata kumambende, oni samuja. Otubele, otukala. Wajabari.
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Watombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinya ja nsungma desiberi gana ni hembiri kyao na ni hembiri yao kumaenda makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya ya tomba mbongo ya kiadi ya atak deba pula reke yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu watiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsungma desiberi gana ni hembiri kyao na hembiri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Feba.
na tombolaka
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Feba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
Songi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Rana bandu butabachikana kutela samu moshukwa unkwamisa niwa mabuta kabu njisisansa bala choma mbukwamba kiri heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
Mwanangele kwa miezi maunini Mega, Alabaku Bobo, Alabaku Bobo, Alabaku Bobo, Mwanangele kwa miezi maunini Mega, Alabaku Bobo, Alabaku Bobo, Alabaku Bobo,
Munsongi,
Songi la Chila,
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 Munsongi,
Songi la Chila.
All right, hey, Ray, let me. My class is starting right now, man. All right,
kulongo. Nkumbushitani yaita tumansangu munzo. Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu. Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu. Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando.
Mwanangele kwa miezi maunini Mega, Alabaku Bobo.
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I, let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili toni magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso koma kanangonga nango.
Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Kiambote Nengwatadiwa. How are you?
I'm fine, Tatampan.
Yeah, good.
Kiambote.
Yeah, Kiambote. Let me greet the audience. Hello, if you are watching, this is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Kiambote tatale.
Kiambote Tatampanzo.
Diambote kikilo. Ngizambote. Eunu sita mokena. Who is going to translate me? Nengotariwa. Over to you. Translation.
I'll let Nengwatadiwa translate.
Kizeko, Tatampan.
Oh, okay. Mokena, Moko talk, yeah. Sita mokena. Mokena is the verb to talk, yeah.
Oh, that means today we're going to talk?
Yeah. We're not in England, we're not in America, we are in Banza, Congo, yeah. We are back home. Okay. Tutondele. Evoku visi diko yuvula. Visa, what does it mean? Visa. Bakisa or visa.
To add?
Understand, to understand.
Oh, to understand. Okay.
To understand. Okay. Lingala bagisa. Okay. Okay, visa. Okay. Tutondele. Tutonde kikilu. Mujambo endingeto. Tunaye vuvu. Endingeto kaivilako. Villa. How do you translate? Villa. To lose, no? To lose, yes. Okay, never mind. Don't be scared.
So do you mean, are you trying to say that we don't want to lose our language?
We want you will be there. We want to how do you say it? We will not lose it, yes? Of course. We will not lose it. We have to work, yeah. We have to do something, you know. Totally. Kiwakwe.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying kiwakwe.
Yeah.
Ingeta. Iwau, kiwakwe.
Oh, Iwao.
Yeah. Isn't it? Yeah.
No, you said, isn't it right? Yeah. Okay.
Kiwakwe, Iwao.
Iwao.
Okay. Emono munzila ngina. Munzila, nengo tali, okay?
Yes, sorry,
Munzila ngina. Yeah, Munzila ngina. Munzila ngina. You know your verb, Munzila ngina. Munzila. Munzila is road, yeah. Munzila ngina. Ngina is a verb. Remember to tell you. When
I am
on the road, yeah.
I'm on the road.
Yes. Okay. On my way to the market, meet Nengo Teddy was coming from the other direction. I mean, opposite direction. To Wawane. Wawana is to meet. Yes, Wawana. Yes. To Wawane. Nengo Tediwa. Are you ready, Nengo Teddy? Now we will be talking, Nengo Teddy. Huh?
Hello.
No. English aside, yes. We are back to Congo Kingdom. Kiambutenengwa.
Kiambute tatampanzi.
Kunzeko, you don't know me.
Oh, okay.
Kiambutenengwa.
Kiambote tata.
Kumbo kunani nengwa.
Kumbwame nengwa tadiwa.
Diambute. Kweuzinganga.
Mono.
Make your life easy. Yeah? Make your life easy.
Okay.
That's the first thing. Remember your locative proposition. Yeah? As soon as you hear location, think about KU. Yeah? Totally, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't worry. I mean, we are learning online. Some people learn like this. There are people watching. Some of them are learning, you know. So we just want to make it easy. Don't.
Okay.
When I say Kweuzinganga, you know that we're talking a location. Instinct, go straight to KU. It must be KU. Ku meaning Kweuzinganga nengwa.
Kuzimbabwe izinganga.
Diambo te. Kuzimbabwe zinga. Okay. Ki uzolanga dia. Zola, to love, to want, to. Yes. Dia is the verb. You know the key.
Okay.
Key. What is key? Key.
Key is what?
Yeah. Ki uzolanga. Remember, you is your
You,
second.
what you like. to eat.
Yes, what you like eat. Yeah. Yeah, kiuzolanga dia.
Izolanga dia.
Remember the rule, just make it easy.
sorry.
The rule, go object first, your verb.
What?
Let me just say something. Kikongo is the language. Language has never been simplified. Yes? Very, very hard to learn. For the native, of course, it's their languages. Just speak it, yeah? But to teach Kikongo is very, very hard. Yes? Because some people, to teach something is different from, your stuff, but to teach it to someone that is not from Congo area, strangers, is not easy. So, just said go straight to your object, pronoun, the verb, the last thing. Totally, are you comfortable? Yes? You know that, yeah? Object first, yes?
Object
first, object, your personal pronoun, in the middle, the last thing is your verb. What was the question? I've forgotten.
You said ki uzolanga dia.
Yes, we're talking about eating, yeah? So we're talking about food. Go straight to the object, the food, then ki uzolanga dia.
And saka izolanga dia.
Kivisidiko. Vova diaka. Vova diaka. Vova means speak, yeah?
Over to
To
speak.
speak. Diaka
Oh,
again. Diaka again,
okay.
yeah? Vova diaka.
Nsaka.
Uh-huh.
Nsaka madesu.
Uh-huh.
Izolanga dia.
Well done. Tsaka malezo. So, tsaka malezo. Yeah, tsaka malezo. Okay, tsaki, yeah? Tsaki is, tsaki mixture of tsaki and beans. Oh, diambo teki kilo. Uh-huh. Okay. Mbazi kwe ukwenda. Well done, yes.
Kumbanza Congo.
Yes.
Isinga kwenda.
Okay, well done. Okay, Mbanza Congo Isinga kwenda. Yes. Destiny, yeah. Mbanza Congo. Yes. Well done, yeah. Tutondele.
She looks like she's been practicing.
I was speaking to my grandmother, like, she only wants to speak in Kikongo. That's why I was like,
Tatale, you know what? You've been learning, Tatale. I did say that last time, yes? You've been learning. We have enough, Tatale, yes? Are you with me?
Yeah, no, we have enough.
We have enough.
She has more.
Okay, never mind.
Really.
Bravo. Congratulations, lady. Nango tell you. Okay. Nani na kumbu. Let me make it easier. Kumbu panya nkundi yako nani? Nkundi friends. Kumbu nkundi yako nani? Any names?
Fernanda. Lemba.
Okay.
How do you see the other part?
No, you don't need that. Yeah.
Oh, I said Fernanda Lemba.
Yeah.
Say,
you can add yeah. Yeah, Nzumba. Could say Nzumba.
Nzumba.
Kikongo name.
Kundiame.
Akundiam.
Akundiam.
Okay. Kwe azingilanga. Azinganga. Well done. Always think about the KU.
Kuharare is
Azinganga. We're learning variants, Mbanza Congo variants, because Azinganga, plural. Bazing, you could say ba, plural. A, plural as well. Yes. Certainly. Now we.
Oh, that was hard.
No, I'm going to talk to Totally. Then later, then I'm going to tell you you are going to talk Totally in Kikong. How would you? You're meeting Totally. Yeah. Cambote, you don't know me. I don't know who you are. That. Tuwawane munanzila. Wawana, understand the verb? Wawana. Then go tell you wawana.
You said one us to meet.
Yeah, wawana. Yeah.
Or we are
Wawane
meeting.
munanzila. Yeah, okay. Kunzeyeko, huh? Then go tell you, can you translate kunzeyeko?
Oh, I never met you before.
No. Kunze, KU. Remember KU, in this case, KU negative.
Oh,
You have
you never met me.
you have your negative, and U is your first, second singular. Kunzeyeko. Can you translate into English, please? Kunzeyeko.
Nzeye is what?
Zaya, to know, yeah?
To know, okay.
Oh.
I don't know you.
Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Kambote tata.
Kimbote tata.
Kumba kunani tata.
Kumbwame Alain.
Tutondele. Don't you want to know my name? You asked me. Kunani, yeah.
Kumbwa kunani.
Yeah, you could say yengeye tata kumba kunani.
Okay.
Sir, yeah, and you, sir, what is your name? Yes. Okay. Kumbwame tata panzu. Jambo de tatale. Kwa uzinganga. Everybody can see where you live.
Washington is
Izinganga. Yes, jambo te kikilu. Kimadia. Okay, let me make it harder. Kimadia uzolanga. Madia, remember, just eat.
Madia is to eat, yeah. What?
Madia is what? What is Madia then?
Food.
Well done, yes. Kimadia uzolanga. Remember, I'm using u for union, which is my second. I'm using a second singular person pronoun. Yes.
Okay.
Object first. Yeah, remember object first.
Yeah. My Dezu.
Yes.
My Dezu.
Well done. Izolanga. Yes.
Izolanga.
Yeah. Jambote kikilu. Kwe utakwenda.
Okay. Where am I going?
Kwe utakwenda. Yes. Yes. Well done. Yes.
Kuzandu.
Yeah. Okay.
Itakwenda.
Well done. Okay. Jambo tekikilu. Nki usumba. Sumba. Nengo sumba.
To buy?
Yeah, nki usumba. Remember, I want to say in Portuguese. Ki usumba. That you who I'm using is a person pronoun. Yeah, remember? Second. I'm asking you, I'm talking to you, yeah? You, yeah? Then you remember your first person, yeah? Ki usumba. Object first, always. Any item.
Any item. I'm trying to think of an item.
Mbwenge.
Okay. Mbwenge.
Yeah, your pronoun. Yeah, well done. Sumba, yes, well done.
Is Sumba?
Yeah, well done. It's Sumba, yeah.
Sumba, okay.
Verb, yes. Oh, Jambote. Nkundi yako kumbwa ndi nani?
Can you repeat that?
Nkundi yako kumbwa ni nani? Nkundi is friend, yeah? Nkundi yako kumbwa ndi nani?
Okay, what's my friend's name?
Then you answer. Your answer is basically you just repeat what I've said. I mean, answering.
Okay. Michael Jackson. Okay.
Kumbu, yeah.
Kumbu. Kumbu.
His name, her name, yeah. Remember, Ame Akuandi. Kumbwame, Ame mine, yeah.
Okay. Kumbwandi.
Well done, Kumbwandi, so and so. Yeah, well done.
Kumbwandi. Bemba.
Yeah, well done. Wow, that's good. Now you're going to ask me questions, isn't it? It's okay, your turn.
What? My turn to ask you a question?
Yes, that.
I think so.
Okay. Tata. Nki.
Yes, well done, Key. Then you second singular, the pronoun, personal pronoun, yeah. Remember EUK.
Key. I just wrote it down. Key. Yeah. Key Uzol. Is it Uzolanga?
Yeah, Uzolanga. Yeah, like. Yeah.
Key Uzolanga. Dia.
Oh, Jambo. Yes. Taki Izolanga dia. Yengaita ki Uzolanga dia.
Izolanga.
Object first.
No, object. My is it my joke?
Madioko is cassava, yeah?
Yeah, Madioko
Izolanga.
Izolanga
dia. Ah, well done.
Izolanga dia, yeah.
Tutundile. Ah, Nyambote. Okay, wow. I'm going to tell you a translation. Wow.
Wow is like
now.
Right?
Wow,
Oh,
now. Now, yeah. Now means wow, now, yes. Now, you then what I do? Are you meeting Tatale? Yes. You don't know his name, just meeting someone. Yes, okay. Then what I do? Vuvakwaku.
Kiambote tata.
Kiambote nengwa.
Kumbwa kunani.
Kumbwame Alain. Yengeye kumbwa kunani.
Yes, well done.
Kumbwame nengwa tajua.
Wow, yes.
Kwe uzinganga.
Yeah, well done.
Tata.
Izinganga. Ku Washington Izinganga.
Yeah, well done. Yenge nengwa ku Zinganga, yes.
Yeah, okay. Yenge, what? Yenge, Kuzing.
Engeye nengwa.
Ngeye Nengwa.
Yes. Where do you live? Yes.
Kuzinga.
Kwe.
Okay. Ngeye. Kwe Uzinganga.
Yeah, well done. Yes, you're using a second pronoun.
Bulawayo Izinganga.
Yes.
Nki Uzolanga dia.
Well done.
Ki Madia Uzolanga, sorry.
Yeah. Well done.
Okay.
Object.
Mbwenge.
Yes. The verb, huh? Zolanga, yes. Ki uzolanga dia.
Oh, okay.
Mbwenge, yeah.
Mbwenge,
Izolanga
dia.
Yeah, yes, well done, yes. Okay. Nengotario, could you have me use the can you use the kwe and nani? Yeah, Nengotario, please.
Kwe utakwenda.
Well done, yeah, yes.
Kuzandu itakwenda.
Yeah, well done.
Ki utasomba.
Ki usumba.
Ki usumba.
Let her use the singer auxiliary. Yeah? Ki usinga sumba. Yes.
Ki usinga sumba.
Yeah, well done. That time I use the auxiliary as well.
Okay.
Auxiliary, yes.
Okay, so
object,
it's object. Okay.
What
was it? Is it malava?
Malavu.
Malavu is
singer.
Malavu singer. Singer.
Yes.
Is Sumba.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Yeah, bravo. You're doing well. Yes. Questions.
That was hard.
How do you feel that? Yeah.
That was
It was nice.
It was good. It was good.
You have brave people, you know. The world is watching, you know. They say, "Oh, this guys."
No, when you have to think faster, it's like you can't look at your notes. It's very hard to look at your notes.
Yeah. Okay, well done. Yeah, I mean, you're there. You're not. I did tell that Nengotadio, you're no longer beginners. Yeah, you're moving. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's gone. Okay, let us go back to. Remember indicative that yes. I did send you a note. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Was it helpful?
Yeah, I think the exceptions. I don't know if those are the exceptions are going to just be those quiza and quenda. Or
Yes.
Are there other verbs that are exceptions? I'm sure there are.
For now, we stick to this. I'm not sure, but we stick with this one. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, quenda, quiza, ignore. Nengotadio, are you there? Oh, sure. Okay.
She's muted. Yeah, she's muted.
Okay. Never mind. Okay. Yes. Vova is to speak. Totally. Oh, okay. Then what are you? Ndinga katu. Yeah.
I'm back.
Yeah. I've just sent you
The present
rules. Rules. Yes, because it's very, very hard. Present, perfect indicative. But I give you a clue. I mean, as long as you know, which is hard anyway, the first person, because there's no relation between the first person, the indicative verb, infinitive. Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Very hard. Mona used to see. Mona used to see, but the first person is hard. What is it?
Mwene.
Mbwene, yes. Long vowel, mbwene, yes. Mbwene. I think as long as you know the verb, infinitive, you should be okay. Yeah, when I say should be okay, there's a catch because the hardest bit is your first person. Yeah, are you with me?
Yeah, no, I'm with you. It's
yeah,
trying to put it all together.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Verb vova. Vova, mvovele. Yes? Okay, you carry on, Tatane. Should be obvious. Second, third, and so on.
Vova would be wow.
I don't know.
No, the rule is mvovele. Yes? The first, I mean.
That's what I'm trying to. Okay, the mvovele.
Yes.
So then
it will be second, and third, so on. You just drop the nasal M. Yes, carry on.
Okay, so if it's vovele,
then carry on vovele, tu vovele, lu vovele, pa vovele.
Oh, okay.
Totally.
Well, okay, I didn't understand that.
Okay,
you want me to recite the first person?
All of them. The first person is me because the first person. Okay, if you can do it, bravo. The first person is the hardest with you. It's very hard,
Okay.
That's why I'm giving you a clue. Hint.
Yeah.
Vovele, me. Vovele. Vovele. I've spoken. Yes.
Okay. Vovele.
It's me, but not nasal, only first person, remember?
Yeah.
So okay. Carry on second, third, and third.
Second is vovele.
Yes.
Third is vovele.
Yes. The first plural.
First plural is.
You add your us, yes. We. You add your
to no.
Yeah. To vovele, yes.
Vovele. Lu vovele.
Yes. Bavovele.
And then bavovele.
Yeah, yes. You're talking Kikongo, bravo. I wish he was around. Okay, anyway.
It's a Duluba, right? Duluba.
Yes, yeah. I mean, the only, just the first singular is the hardest bit, yeah?
Yeah.
As long as you know, I give you a clue, you should be okay. Okay.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then what tell you? Verb dia, to eat, verb dia.
Okay, I know those.
Sorry.
Then it's D. Then it's DD again. And then it's 2DD. Lu DD.
Badidi. Make sure you pronounce correctly, because if you do, if you say Badidi, you're saying you are adamant. So Badidi. That's only question. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
Yes.
Okay. I see the pattern now. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. So
B is a pet.
Yeah, you just drop your nasal. The nasal is M anyway. Yeah, remember?
well,
The
is
nasal
it M or N? Because
could be
it's
N M. It depends on letter. When you have
yeah.
there's a rule. K always N before K. Yeah, talking about
Yeah.
nasal. Yeah.
Mhm.
P. Let's say my name is Panzu. M always for nasal. Letters, names, words begin with K. We put N. Nkunga.
Kundi.
Kolo, I mean, so on. B, the nasal, you write M.
Oh, okay. B.
Bamvu, yeah.
B.
But
V.
yeah, these are the rules. But in practical term, I mean, in practice, it doesn't matter really, as long as it is a nasal. When you're talking, we don't care if it's N or M. Is it clear? Then what tell you?
But then what about words like Kanda, like the maternal lineage? There's no N before it.
No N. But letter or book, you have N. Nkanda.
And Kundi.
Kumbu name, yeah, N. Remember, we don't read the M or N. It is there for a nasal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tatale, over to you. Ndwini. So I'm using, I have to, let's say, quote unquote, I have to find a nasal. Ndwini, but this is the first singular. Second singular, don't worry about the nasal. You go back to think about the first letter of your verb. I'm saying ndwini, me, first singular. The second singular will be
Weenie.
Nwini, yes.
Nwini,
Yeah, Nwini, yes.
Nwini. Third is
Nwini again.
Nwini.
Yes.
And then first plural is Dunwini.
Yes, Lunwini,
Nwini and Banwini.
Yes, because if you are comfortable with the present perfect indicative, in future you should be okay. Past, we don't live in the past. Don't worry about the past. Why am I saying that? Because according to me, one of the good books on Kikongo grammar, it was written, recently, 2 or 3 years ago. I did teach once on past, but I did ask another linguist. He said that we shouldn't do this in past, but this is the book written, someone wrote a book, see? So past, even among the linguists, they are not sure how to teach it. Are you with me?
But why is the past just, there's no rule? Do you mean like there's no set in stone rule? That's
no set. Yeah, you're right. No set in stone. Yeah, this is the good. This is it. Why? Because we have variants. Yeah, listen. We have variants. Let me just explain to you. I did ask the other, because on the book on the grammar written by Tata Kiala, he was talking about how to say in English, past. In French, you say plus que parfait. Past. How to say? Let me just give an example. Past of the past, yes. You understand French, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Past perfect tense.
No, past hard. Yeah, totally, yes.
Yeah. No, I understand.
Past. But the other linguist was saying that no. In Kikongo, we don't have that. We should put in the context. We should put sentence like this. You understand that?
That's just to simplify it.
Sorry.
Is that is just to simplify it, right?
No, he was saying that we shouldn't translate it into European languages. Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, no, it makes sense.
Yeah, we have our own way of saying hard, yes.
Yeah.
But if you say it may be right, because the tendency is to copy paste of European languages. See,
Mm-hmm.
you stop thinking as a Mukongo. Yes.
Yeah, that's wrong.
So because of that, we're going there bit by bit, but we need to focus on present perfect tense. No, present perfect indicative. Future, of course, future, the keyword is your auxiliary, singer, yes? And the present, yes. Okay? Tell you. Okay.
I have a question.
Go
I
ahead.
have a question. So Tata Mpanzu, like, are there other ways of saying how are you? Like, how are you in Kikongo? Because, like, I remembered when my mother was speaking to my grandmother, like, she would always say away instead of saying. Like, she would take Yambote, but then she might say away.
No, this is the informal, yes? Just hello, hi.
Oh, that's
Yes?
informal, okay.
Yeah. When I say how are you, formal, yeah? When I say hi, it's something. I mean something, huh? Yes, hi. Yes?
Yeah.
Away. I do translate it into English.
It's just another way of saying.
Yeah. Away, but we go for the formula. Away. Questions.
I don't have any questions. I think I'm gonna take today's lesson and try to improve.
Yeah, okay. We have 10 minutes. We are going to practice this one, the present perfect indicative, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm up for it.
What is what? What does it mean? What?
Oh, Nki.
No, what? The verb what?
It's to drink. No, it's not.
Noir is to drink. Noir is to drink. What is?
Kizeko.
Okay. Good answer. What? To listen, yes?
Listen.
To listen, yes. Noir to drink. What? To listen. Yes. Okay. Tatale. First person, Nguidi. I've heard. Yes? Nguidi.
Nguidi.
Yeah, I'm helping you. I'm trying to help. Carry on, yes? Nguidi.
Okay. Second person is. Is it Weedy?
Yeah, well done, yes.
Okay. Third person is Weedy.
Yeah.
First plural is Tweedy.
Tweedy, yes.
Tweedy. Second plural is Luidi.
Luidi. Make sure you pronounce
Luidi.
Luidi. Yeah, Luidi.
Luidi. And then third plural is
Bawidi, yes.
Bawidi.
Yes, yeah. Then what are you guess? Luidi. Mona. To see, yes. Okay. Now, I've just arrived. Yeah, totally. I'm at the home. You have just eaten. Then I'm asking you a question in Kikongo. Kididi. Remember the rule object first. When I say object first, rule object first, because we want to make it simple. You could put object after, but we just want to stick to this rule, yes? Then.
Okay.
Kididi.
Nguba Ndidi.
Bravo, yeah, well done, yes. I've eaten, yes, indeed, yes. Nengwa Tadiwa. You have just drunk. No, you're not drunk. No, don't. Okay. Nkinwini.
I forgot the name for it.
Nasal. Make sure that just remember it's a nasal. Try to nasal it. Nasal.
Okay, so
The first, yeah. Kinwini. What have you done?
I don't even know that. Okay, is it Maza
Yeah, carry. Sorry.
Maza Nwini.
Say it again.
Maza Nwini.
We need nasal. Can you help us? It's nasal.
Okay, so I thought she just said it with the nasal, no?
No. Then what? Come again? Yes.
I said Maza Nwini.
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 Maza Nwini.
Yes, that's what I said. Nwini. Is it correct or is it wrong?
Maza ND, eh? Your nasal ND.
Oh, it's ND, so Maza Ndwini.
Yeah.
Doing it.
Yeah. Yeah, I've drunk, yeah.
What is Tatampanzu? What's the word for milk?
Kimvumina, yes.
Kimbumina. Yeah, that's the one.
Yes. Okay, Tatale. This one, okay. Let's try to. This one should be obvious. Kwenda and Kwiza, our first letter, we drop K. Don't worry about the K. Our first letter is W, yes? Yes. So I've gone. Tatale.
I know we've always done this one.
Yeah, Ngele, yeah, Ngele.
Ngele, yeah.
Ngele, yeah. Ngele, Muzila Ngele, yes. Okay, Kwiza, first nasal, Nengo tell you.
Is it Mwiza?
Nasal. First. Ngizidi. It's hard.
Ngizidi. Oh, yeah.
Ngizidi. Yeah, Ngizidi. Remember, we have Luaka. Luaka, Tata, remember Luaka? To arrive.
Wow.
I thought, okay.
Luaka. To arrive. Okay, can you try first person, Tata?
Luaka. I don't know. Is it what?
Always. I give you.
Drop the. I'm dropping.
You're giving me a nasal. No dropping. Give me a nasal. First person.
Is in Dua. Ndui.
ND. Ndweke.
Wow.
Different.
How do you go from Waka to Ndweke?
This is Gikanga. That's why you can understand when the other linguists say that we should not go copy paste model of European, because this is a language. See?
Yeah.
The only thing you should remember on past is person pronoun. Then what I remember person pronoun for the past?
Is it Tuluba?
No, for the past verb in the past tense. I think last time we did say that we did talk about that. First person in the past. You remember the no change on the plural side, yeah? The first singular. Personal pronoun, your personal pronoun in the past. Ya, wa, ka.
That one I forgot.
You know that we did. You got your notes. You got
No,
notes.
it was on the table. It was on the
Yeah, don't worry about your notes. We want to. We
Okay.
need to keep using our head. Yeah.
Okay.
I could. Okay. Let's say I'm just going to give you a simple past. We're going to stick to this simple past. Yes. Ya kwenda kuna. Me. Yeah. Ya is me. Ya kwenda kuna. I went there. Yes. This is the past. Very past simple. Yes.
Yeah.
I went there. This we're just going to use the past, the simple past, yeah? Don't worry about the other past, yes?
Okay.
Ya kwenda kuna. I went there. Well, okay. I went there. Let's go. I went there, yes. English is a bit different compared to French. I have been there. In French, you don't say that. In Portuguese, you don't say that. You don't really say that. Okay. I went there. Ya kwenda kuna. Yeah, you got your verb and kuna, you know what you're talking, yes? Just he went there. Then what did you were?
So kakwenda.
Bravo. Kakwenda kuna. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah. We went there.
Takwenda kuna.
Just do what you know. Just remember your plural. First plural. Just use
you said
yeah, you're right, but you just use the full we in Kikongo. We.
Oh, instead of ta, I'm gonna say tu.
Yeah, I just want to say something. I want to explain to you. Just say it again. Yes. Tukwenda kuna. Yes.
Tukwenda kuna.
Yes, correct. It is correct, but you don't say that it's tukwenda kuna. Yeah, totally. You say tukwenda kuna, but it is tukwenda kuna. Yes.
Oh, it's two.
Spoken language. Spoken,
Yeah.
you don't say two, huh? But it is too hidden anyway. Tukwenda kuna. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Totally.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Remember, any language, yeah, you have written and spoken, yes.
Yeah.
You are correct in terms of grammar. You are correct.
No, so you said okay, it's hidden, so it should be
Tukwenda kuna.
twa.
Tukwenda kuna, yes. But it's T U, huh? W is your U. Tukwenda kuna.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah.
That's why it is hard if you're thinking in English or French, then try to translate in Kikongo. You just think Kikongo. This is how I would think. Yeah.
It's starting. Okay, I guess it makes sense.
Yeah, tukwenda kuna. We went there. Okay, you people, you many. Let me tell you went there.
Is it
Yeah, Lwakwenda kuna. Yeah, Lwakwenda kuna. Yeah. The last one, plural, third person, no change. Yeah.
So just
Bakwenda kuna. Ba. Just stick with ba. Bakwenda kuna. Yes.
Oh, so so for they, that doesn't change.
No change. Okay. We get there, sweeter bit by bit, yeah. We're scrolling, yeah, but we're moving. Yeah, we're moving, yeah. Kewakwe.
Wow.
Yeah, peep and creep. Yeah, but we're moving. Past, just go for the thing to remember for the past is there is a change on your first on personal pronoun, yeah, the single. Plural, no change. I mean, we could say no change because we're keeping two luba, yes? Although we're using trois lua, yes? Still two luba. But the top singular, ya, wa, ka. Let me just try to find the verb. Sorry, darling. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yamona kiese. That's in translation.
Yeah.
Yamona kiese.
Or seeing good things.
Yeah,
No, things of joy. Things of joy. Things of joy.
Okay. Let me just try to explain again. I can't blame you. We Kikongo for feelings. For feeling.
Oh yeah, you say happy. I'm feeling happy, right?
Yeah. For feeling, we use mona. We see.
Mona, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this is our language. Yeah. I'm sad. You could say Mbwene Kiadi, yes?
Mwene Kiadi.
Mbwene Kiadi.
Yeah.
You know sing sadden. Are you with me? Yes?
Yeah,
with
I'm
me,
with you. Yeah.
Feeling, we use Mpasi ita mona. Who can translate? Mpasi ita mona.
That means I'm going to see I'm going to see difficulties.
This translation. Remember, it is your present continuous. Pasi ita mona. Remember, mona is your feeling.
Difficult.
I'm feeling pain.
Yes, I'm suffering. Yes.
I'm suffering.
Yeah.
I'm suffering. Okay.
Just remember, mona could be used as your feeling. Nganzi ita mona. Nganzi. Remember that? Nganzi. Nganzi. Anga.
Ah, okay. Anger. Yeah.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Yes. Well done, you see. So remember, mona is could be it is for feelings, yes. You could say Ozira for feeling. Never mind. Well done, people. You done well, yes. Then what I do? So next time we'll take a flight to Mbanza, yeah?
Ingeta.
We fly to Mbanza. Question,
No question. This was good. This was
yeah, I mean we're done with notes. We have enough notes, yeah. Anyway, Kikongo language, we have all we need in terms of written grammar. We have I go when I prepare a lesson, I always go to the Bible, Kikongo spoken in Kikongo spoken in Mbanza Congo, yes? Good grammar. Because this is the only ancient book we have written in Kikongo. Understand, yes?
Mm.
The only one we have. Tutondele. No question, yes? Kyuvu question. Kyuvu means question. Kyuvu katu, yes? Kat. Ukatu Kyuvu kat. Tutondele. Okay. Thank you. You're doing well, yeah? I'm proud of you. Yeah? People are watching and saying, oh, these guys are very, very smart, yeah? Yeah. Just remember, we done, quote unquote, we're done with verbs in terms of understanding. We don't, the keyword for the past is just your singular bits part, just ya, wa, ka. The rest is tuluba. You understand? Twa, twa. The present, you good with present, then future, always use singer. Yes? Singer. Okay. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote.
Msala
Kiambote.
Yo.
Timba. Kaimbe Timba. Ira. Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Kumbo. Philippe Kamambo. Memba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya.
Politisa Keita Kulama
Serge Ndodo na San Diego.
Epa kundudu,